I've really enjoyed the Zumba class. I've been in Gianna's class. It's a really good workout. It's really easy to do. You just hop on the Zoom call, you open the link. And it's a good hour-long workout, and it's a lot of fun, and you get to chat with her during breaks and meet other people through it. And all around, it's just been a really convenient way to get exercise during quarantine.
Well, Zumba's a lot of fun, and it's a good way to get some exercise while we're sheltering in place. Can't go anywhere, so this is a good way to do it. And I like doing it in the privacy of my own home, so that if I tone it down or I get tired, I can sit down without looking like a wimp.
Gianna's a great teacher. She makes it easy to follow, and teaches us a lot of alternatives that we can use to tone things down if we can't dance quite as elegantly as she does. And so it's all a lot of fun, and I highly recommend it.